Okay, seriously, this season is starting to fucking frustrate me. It's my first season of trapping. I'm not always sure what I'm up to. And most of what I'm doing, I'm trying to figure out on my own. But maybe somebody can explain this to me. Look at that trough. Look at those tracks. There's the trap. He stopped 2 inches from the friggin' trap. Somebody want to explain to me why something would do that? Just frustrating. Looks like it's hard to tell what it is because the tracks are so full of slush. But it's almost big enough to be an otter, judging by the trough. I'm guessing that's what it is, but he completely avoided my trap. I don't get it. Like, I would have thought something would have came in here. He didn't even try and go in. He just saw the trap, smelt it. Yeah, screw that. I'm turning around. That's how my season's been going. I'm pretty limited on what I can catch now because I've gone over my quota for marten, and I caught 2 lynx that I wasn't supposed to. I'm allowed to keep them, but I wasn't supposed to catch them. And so I will be selling my 2 lynx, but it kind of limits my setups and what I can set up, and it just doesn't look like anything wants to friggin' participate. So I'm putting sets in where I can for what I can, but trying to avoid catching other things. Kind of a pain in the ass, and this is what ends up happening, I guess. And leave that there. Maybe he'll friggin' screw up at some point and walk through it. Can't see why he wouldn't have. I mean, it's the only hole there. He didn't go around it. He didn't go out to the other side. I checked the other side. There's no tracks. He stopped and turned around right there. Okay, I'll let you guys go for now, and we'll go see what else happens.